Today I am going to show you the presentation of puzzle word. This is puzzle word 1. Puzzle word. What is puzzle word? Puzzle words are the words that cannot be sounded out. Let's show you how to use puzzle word. Here are some cards. Every day, once, said, want. These words are not related with each other. Let's make a sentence with every day. Meena goes to school every day. Meena goes to school every day. Next one is once. Let's make a sentence with once. We gather for dinner once in a month. We gather for dinner once in a month. Next one is said. Let's make a sentence with said. Your uncle said goodbye while leaving. Your uncle said goodbye while leaving. Next one is want. Let's make a sentence with want. I want to hear a song. I want to hear a song. This is how we use puzzle word 1.